And tonight we want to highlight the EVMS Health Sciences Academy. We had 19 students who were able to attend this academy, and they had some very powerful, authentic learning experiences.
The Health Science Academy is an academy for young students starting in high school. We started initially in Portsmouth and it's to introduce them to healthcare sciences.
With the idea of reaching out to students who have less opportunity to come into contact with health professions in general, to expose them to possibilities that maybe they're not exposed to.
Sometimes these young men and women have incredible backgrounds from a knowledge standpoint, but just maybe not have the doors open for them.
And if we can support those students, it's only going to bring good things back into the community and give them opportunities to find out about these interests that are potentially there.
During my time at EVMS Summer Camp, I experienced a lot. But I'm going to tell you what I enjoyed the most was learning more about physician assistant, which I want to be when I grow up.
A lot of times students think that the only pathway to healthcare is to become a doctor. And just a wide variety of programs that kind of relate to healthcare that are not necessarily the medical science pathway.
It'll help us out, give us more ideas what we really want to do.
When I grow up, I would love to become an anesthesiologist, and this program is really helping me on my path to that by showing me what I can do to become that.
My favorite part was going to the ultrasound lab and doing the ultrasound on the pupils. I did ultrasound on one of my friends. It was fun.
We got to look at human brains. We did some virtual reality stuff, going through what it's like to have Alzheimer's.
The students thoroughly enjoyed their time. They got a lot of hands-on different things that they never thought could be possible.
Obviously with the EVMS's community focus, this was a great opportunity for us to reach out into the community, help students who aren't actually engaged with healthcare providers and allow them to see what they could do with their future.